Where's the mountain? Well, you? No, you cannot come.
Where? Where? There? There?
Lucky. Wake up, Lucky nga. Can you see? Diba si Lucky dancing?
Oh, wake
Dancing in the
up, Lucky.
Wake up, Lucky.
Wake up, Lucky. Where are you today? Ha? Where are you today? Pupunta tayo doon sa gilid. Ha? Doon sa baba, oh. Ayun, oh. Pupunta to.
Come on, it's
Hi, Clark! Hi, Mami! Grabe, tagal namin nagpahinga kasi wala lang, naging busy, sobra. So, for today's vlog, we are on holiday and we are going to... Saan tayo pupunta, Mami? Sa Stanwell... Yeah, our last destination will be on Hyams Beach at Jervis Bay, and our first stop will be on Stanwell Tops, yung may cliff at may bridge na maganda, no? Pero before anything else, roll intro please. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito guys. Kararating lang namin. Dito kami ngayon sa Seacliff Bridge, malapit sa Stanwell Tops. Si Clark takbo ng takbo, grabe. Clark keeps on running. He runs too fast. Grabe. Let's go to Mommy. Clark, careful. That was so tiring. Clark keeps on running. And nahabo siya lagi ni Mami.
Oh, Tagalog na lang. Nahirap sa English.
Siyempre Tagalog muna tayo. Minsan pinod pa yun tayo eh. Well,
nosebleed.
naubusan ako. Naubusan tayo ng English. Well, anyway, pagod din si Mami. Nahabol niya si Clark. Takbo ng takbo si Clark. Walang kapagurat. After this Seacliff Bridge, we are now going to Kiama Blowhole, 60 kilometers away from here, and we need to travel 1 hour via motorway or sa yun na yun.
What Dede, Clark? No.
Ay si Clark, oh.
No, Dede?
Clark's there, oh. So see you guys in our next destination. Drive muna kami. Clark, look, oh. Bird, oh. Say hi to the bird. Two bird? No. Three, oh. Ay, yung pangatlo, oh. Two daw, two. Two. How many bird? One, two, three. Dito na kami sa Kiama Blowhole. Look at this. Look at this. Awesome. Did you see that? Did you see the blowhole? Did you see the blowhole? Huh? Huh? Look at this, look, oh. Look, oh. Oh, wow. Nyari dito. Yeah, there you go. Look, oh. Beautiful. Wow. We will have lunch. Our lunch. Let's go. Whew. We're done. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito. It reminds us of Melbourne in Victoria. Reminds us of Phillip Island or somewhere in
Apostles.
12 Apostles, the Great Ocean Road. Sobrang ganda. No, mommy. Ano masasabi mo, mommy?
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice? Nice lang?
Yeah. Yeah. Ano daw dyan eh. Pwedeng may stay yan. Parang maganda dito.
We're done here and we need to find somewhere else to have our lunch together with our friends. So, we'll be right back.
Eto,
Sino yan?
Ako nang hold up dun.
pinakain ko na.
Sino yan?
Pinakain mo na.
Oh.
Tingin?
Binihisa mo pa. Binihisa mo pa.
Sino yan?
Ayan. Wala na pala. Oh, yan.
Parang kamukha ko yun ah. Sino kaya yun? Hawig ba? Hawig? Hawig?
Meron. All done na. Daddy, I finished my
Oh, all
ice
done, no?
cream.
All done, no?
Good job, Clark. Good job.
Good job, Clark.
Wow. Good job.
Good job, Clark.
No more, no more. All done na. That's too much for
Good
today.
job, Clark.
You have ice pops, ano?
Hi guys, so we just arrived here in our Airbnb property.
Yes, we will go down.
Clark said go down, go down, go down.
Okay.
So we need to prepare our things now. Mamaya lilibot namin kayo sa bahay kung ano yung mga nandito, alright? So, say hi Clark.
Say hi, hi. Mommy's turn. Ah! Drink
So,
muna and then we
see you
will go
guys
down.
later.
Okay, oh, happy birthday na. Happy birthday to you. Happy... Ay, nanimutan na ni tita.
Oh, ganda dito ah. Oh, luwag oh. Luwag. Grabe luwag dito oh. Woo! Dito na kami sa Airbnb. You know? You know?
Kasha
Luwag dito tol ah.
hihiga sa
Ay, Clark, you need to be careful.
Namin na
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Let's go, let's go. Let's go to the other room.
More than 4, more than 3 kaya. Ito talaga yung sakto sa kasi. Pwede naman
Mother,
connect
what's
sa-
in here? Ooh! Teka ba?
Kasi tayo
Teka ba? Another bathroom. 2 bathrooms. Let's go. Aircon, no? Uy, luwag dito ah. Ayos dito ah.
pagpunta doon eh.
So, meron dining room sa baba. At merong dining room dito sa taas. 2 dining rooms, 2 kitchens, 3 bathrooms, 5 bedrooms. Punta tayo dito sa balkonahe. Yun know? Wow! Ganda dito. Guys, tingnan niyo to. Astig. Astig, no? This is the property that we've rented over Airbnb. Pretty cool, pretty amazing. It's near Hyams Beach at Jervis Bay. So we are all, I think 6 rooms or yeah, 6 rooms and 6 families will be here along with our friends. So let's go, have fun, enjoy. Libot ko kayo. Bedroom, balcony, bathroom, dining room, kitchen, living room, another balcony, bedroom, bathroom with washer, dining, living room, bedroom again, another bedroom, and backyard.
Saan mo gusto?
Saan?
Gusto?
Diyan na kasi.
Sapatos.
Pinalitan niya na dyan si
Oo, namin sa puno. Hiya na nga ako kasi ako yung pupo doon.
May pupo na eh.
Tinatakan na yun. Nahiya ako pagpasok.
Nabahiran na eh.
Oo. Oo, may bahid na.
May bahid na.
Na ano na ng terega. Oo, pusa at aso.
Pusa ba?
May bahid.
Gumanto na rin.
Diretso na eh. Dumiretso na eh. Tapos binalitan na.